Hi everybody and welcome to Zabbix tutorial. I'm Dimitri Bellini, official Zabbix trainer, and behind me you can see the Zabbix.com website. It's the main website where you can find the software, Zabbix, and the documentation and the training that coming during the year. This video is our first video to show why we decide to use Zabbix for monitoring in our company, and then in the next week we plan to create other video that show the installation process, the configuration and the tuning, so stay tuned. But today I want to show some slides to understand better the story of Zabbix. Okay, IT, okay, two times, because this slide is in Italian in some parts, but the concept is IT is a mess of wire, is a very complex. Today is very complex because we have a lot of operating system, we have a lot of devices, router, NAS, storage are network devices, IoT devices, so a huge amount of possible problem, and in this case maybe Zabbix can solve it. Zabbix have a very long story. We start in 1998, so the idea, the concept is born in this date, but the first stable release is near 2004, so near 12 years ago. The most important release was 1.8, and in this release in 2009 we could find API, configuration cache, passive proxy, database, different kind of database, and is the first enterprise release of Zabbix. Not so much not so much times as was passed from 1.8, and we could find 2.4 is the best release, maybe because it's the most enterprise release born during the life of Zabbix, because we could find VMware monitoring, advanced low-level discovery, the concept of web scenario monitoring, so a lot of new features that the enterprise asked in that time. And today we have 3.0, is one of the most important release of Zabbix. New graphics interface, encryption, communication, predictive trigger, and so on. So we maybe in the beginning of next year we could find Zabbix 4.0, but in the meantime we have a great product, and we in the next video, in the next in the next week, maybe we could understand better why Zabbix is very interesting piece of software. One of the most important things is that this software is real open source. We don't have a corporate enterprise release. There is only single software that you can find in Zabbix.com, and is for everyone. We don't have some hide feature for paid customer, but we have only one software. This is a very important feature. But for me, other very important aspect of Zabbix is the monitoring without agent and the monitoring using agents. agents that you could find as a binary for the major operating system. And this is a very important thing because you have a very fast binary to install and monitoring your server in a few minutes. And this is possible. And in the next video, you could find your solution. But Zabbix is not only monitoring of server, you could monitoring every devices inside your network that have an IP or a DNS. But not only, we also can monitoring Docker, VMware, and also application, maybe using some external script made using Bash, Python, Perl language. So it's very extendable as a software. So I know my English is very bad and sorry, but I hope to for a better explanation in the next episode of our channel. So this is the end of the first video, and I hope is a good video for you, and stay tuned for the other video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.